Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Seagate 8TB external hard drive. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very simple retail box. This is an 8TB external hard drive, USB 3.0, works with Mac and PC, and it has 5,400 RPMs as the speed. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have for Australia only compliance information, followed by our quick start guide, walking us through in multiple languages how to set everything up. Then you can see we have different power adapters depending on the region and country that you live in. Then you can see we have our power plug right here where we need to attach one of the included power plugs. So let's go ahead, let's slide the US one in place right here. So let's line it up, slide it in just like you see right there, and we're ready to go. Then you can see we have our USB 3.0 cable right here with a USB type A male end and a micro B end right there for us to use. So just pay attention to what that looks like. Then last but not least, we have the hard drive itself right here in a big plastic glossy enclosure. You can see our USB cable plug right there and our power port. We have 4 triangled feet in the bottom for nice grip. You can see the ventilation holes in design. Same for the sides. You can see what we have right there. In the front with the Seagate logo on it. It is a square enclosure. You can see just rests just like that with no issues. Now let's go ahead, let's power it on and try it out. So we went ahead, we plugged the external drive into our Windows 10 computer and it popped up right away. It really is a plug and play external hard drive. Nothing else we had to download to get to open up to be able to use it here. You can see everything that comes on the drive straight out of the box. We also went ahead, we opened up the drive properties so you could see how much free space we get right out of the product packaging. We get 7.27 terabytes out of the 8 terabytes total, and 355 megabytes is used with everything that you see right here. We also conducted a free test if you want to try this out on your own hard drive to see what sort of speeds you get using Crystal Disk Mark. And you can see our read and write speeds right here for the drive. They advertise it at 160 megabytes, so we actually overachieved a little bit on our test right here. We got 193 megabytes for our read test. So everything works great, no issues at all. We get 7.27 terabytes out of the 8 terabytes on the drive, and we do get their advertised speeds and actually a little bit better out of this drive. So here are my final thoughts on the Seagate 8TB external hard drive. Overall, I think it's a great deal if you're on a tight budget and you're looking to store a lot of your files and you need a ton of space. 8 terabytes. So that being said, it's a great deal, but at that lower price point comes lower performance, right? You have a 5,400 RPM drive. It has okay read and write speeds, but if you got to be using this day in and day out all the time, 8 hours a day, you're probably going to want to look at a 7,200 RPM drive, a 10,000 RPM drive, or upgrading to an SSD external hard drive for those faster speeds. But keep in mind, with the better performance comes an increased price tag. So overall, I think this is a great deal if you're on a tight budget and you need a lot of space to store your files. Honestly, my least favorite thing has nothing to do with the performance about this drive, the capacity, or anything like that. It comes down to the hard drive enclosure. It's got really sharp corners on it and it hurts. I'm not gonna lie. So it's not very comfortable to move around or hold. Thankfully, you don't have to spend a lot of time doing that. Plug in your cables, set it on your desk, and you're all set and ready to go. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.